Welcome to JK&M Railroad. In this video, I've been working on the backyard railroad for today and a couple days before that. I've been out here leveling some more. I got the drag harrow out. I got my 310 back from the dealership. Woohoo! I love that tractor. I've had it 13 years now. I'm going to come through here. There's still some spots I have to come through and take care of with the harrow. I went and had dinner after I got done using the 1025 to level some more of this out. So, as you can tell, it's a lot cleaner, a little bit smoother. Spent most of the day just taking care of roots. And through here, you might notice a little difference. I took out a tree. The one right across from that tree right there was right there. It was kind of in my way, so I had to move it. So, filling all that right there. All that right there is a low spot. I still need to come through and level that. I still got maybe a day's worth of harrowing to do. Clean this up a little bit more. I just want to try to get it as level as possible. I'm not looking for perfection, because then I can always make it level with the ballast. When I temper in the ballast, then I can go ahead and build it up from there, or do whatever I got to do. So, just a little bit more work, little bit by little bit. I will be getting ballast soon, which is a good thing. And I'm hoping it's going to be enough to finish everything. So, I'm just keeping at it, trying to get it going whenever I can, whenever I get some free time. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. Drop a comment if you want, like, subscribe if you haven't. Definitely appreciate everybody who's liked, comment, or viewed my videos. And just, basically learning. Just kind of going with the flow, I guess. So, everybody have a good day.